Morning, guys. Okay, we got a big day today. Ted, what do you got going on? A bunch of services? Okay. Dan, what do you got?
I have 3 services and ultraviolet light.
UV light.
Yeah.
And Drew, we have the aerator going in today
Yeah.
for high radon. You were there yesterday.
Yep.
Charlie, what are you going to be doing today?
We'll be building a stack for the system and then a service.
Okay. Keep the day moving. If you guys need anything, talk to each other. Morning, Brian. How you doing today?
Good. How you doing?
Okay, so we're going to set up today to actually do the installation of your aerator for the radon and water. Today we have a couple of guys that I want you to meet. This is our master plumber, Drew. He's going to be taking care of all the plumbing for you. This is our master electrician, Rocco. He's going to handle all the electrician. And here we got, look at this, Charlie just rolled in. There we go. Charlie's our radon specialist, and he's going to be taking care of the radon vent. So guys, this project here is pretty special to us because we have found that radon in the water, we all know, contributes to the air. But in Brian's home, he actually put his meter, his radon eye, into the bathroom, and he found out that he had levels as high as 56 picocuries while taking a shower. So we're gonna get this taken care of from him. He's got a great new family, so let's get this done. Let's go.
Alright, so Brian, we're going to go over some of the options for the stack for the aerator system. Okay, now we're going to go over these because of a few different reasons. Code reasons, we have to make sure that we're away from window areas and any openings, so that way the radon's not coming back into the house and contaminating the upper stairs of the bedrooms. Okay, and also ideal location. We also don't want to be in an eyesore to you, basically. So 3 options that we have here is, one, we could do this option right here in this corner behind this tree, come up to the eave here, come up, and then gooseneck out here, for that way rain doesn't go inside the pipe. Okay, and that will give you your 10 feet away from that upstairs window. Okay, option 2 is this corner here. Now this corner obviously would have to go up to 2 stories, but that's fine. It would come all the way in between the window and this eave here to the top, and now being that we are within 10 feet of that window, we have to go at least 4 feet above the window, which we would definitely get being up and around this eave. Okay, now option 3 would be on this side of the gutter towards this side of the house. It would come up the side of the gutter and then come around the eave. It'd be hidden with the gutter and a little bit less run inside the basement also. It's up to you. All 3 options give you the code requirements and also safety.
Okay, Brian, here we go today. We have the completion of our aeration system. This is an aerator, and this is removing the radon in the water. Then we also had a gross alpha situation with a little bit of uranium and radium. We have our gross alpha system, and we have our UV light, which you wanted for just a precaution, and it's a really good idea. So, as being somebody in the construction industry, what do you think about our crews?
Everybody was very professional. The plumbing looks amazing. I couldn't ask for anything more.
Okay, so we really appreciate that, especially coming from a fellow construction worker. We know, what's going on when you have trade in the house and doing different things. Do you have any questions?
No, I mean, all my concerns were taken care of, and I appreciate it. Thank you guys for taking care of all my concerns. So
Thank you. Now, we had a quick discussion this morning, and you were telling me that what was the radon level that you found in the bathroom? Talk to me a little bit about that. Now, remember, when we started this, we had a radon level as high as 30, even spiked to, I believe, 50?
53.
Right, picocures per liter, and that was taking a shower. What ended up happening from the contribution from water into the air. Now, after we put the system in, what did you do last night and this morning?
Last night, there was a little bit of remaining water left in the hot water heater. I ran the tub, and the most I saw was a 5.5 picocuries per liter. And then this morning, with the fresh tank of water that was treated, went up to maybe 2.5 picocuries per liter, and never saw it spike above that. And it usually would have been probably around 35 at that point.
Wow. So what we did also yesterday is we took all water samples. We're going to turn them off to, hand them off to our laboratory, and they're going to check all the things that we said we're going to correct. It looks like they're correcting, but we're going to get real analytical data for you to really show what's going on. Brian, I'd like to thank you for using Protect Environmental and RAdata, and we're going to be with you for the long haul.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.